everyone, this is your realtor Paul Lamba with Maxwell Polaris, bringing you our latest listing. Today we are in Paisley with beautiful sunshine in Edmonton. This community is located very next to Chappelle, and for dog lovers, the dog park is right next to you as well. This is a gorgeous 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, half duplex, offers with a lot of features, double car detached garage as well with a large nice size deck as well. It is also located close to Jager Ridge golf course and all the shopping nearby. I think we should go take a look. Come on in.